Having lost the Mortimer Geddes Trophy at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships last year, Kingston College is confident of reclaiming it, but their coach is wary of complacency. As we look ahead to the 5-day championships, we check in on the boys from North Street. When Kingston College lifted the Mortimer Geddes Trophy in 2019, they broke a 7-year Calabar stranglehold and also ended a 10-year drought for the title. But they relinquished it again in 2021 when Jamaica College beat them to the crown. So the renowned Purples want to put things right this year and follow in the footsteps of their football team, which won the Manning Cup Olivier Shield double this past season. Captain Boaji and Krumi admitted that it will come with some pressure.
The Manning Cup players and the track and field athletes have a really good bond. So the motivation comes from the Manning Cup victory stills, because it's just all pride knowing that the Manning Cup won and the champs come and doesn't deliver. That's not a good look on the tracks team. So I'd say a pressure is on the track and field team.
But head coach Leaford Grant doesn't want that weight of expectation on his charges as he tries to guide them to a 33rd title.
I don't want to put in that sort of situation. We'll try our best, and at the end of the day, God's willing, hopefully we can bring back the trophy to North Street.
The athletes who beat Nkrumah to the 100-meter title last year have now moved on to senior competition. And with a 10.40 seconds season's best, Nkrumah is confident he can turn last year's bronze into gold, but is wary of embracing the favourites tag.
I wouldn't say most of my rivals are gone, because I have a few remain, but as I said before, I'm very confident in my talent and the team behind me to push to make the future in my favour. I'm really confident in that one.
Any good leader takes responsibility for guiding their troops through the toughest of times, and it's a role Nkrumah also takes seriously.
Well, definitely, as a captain, you have to motivate your teammates at any cost, down moment, every moment. So yeah, I'll say that's a very vital role for me to play.
History and tradition is on the side of KC as the winningest school in boys champs history and the school with the longest streak ever. But Coach Grant is far from being bashful about his school's decorated history and isn't going to succumb to overconfidence going for title number 33.
We are going to try our best to ensure that we bring back the trophy to 2A North Street. We are under no pressure at all. The boys will go out there, have fun, and at the end of the day, God's willing, we'll bring back the trophy.
Among their standout athletes, KC boasts World Under-20 triple jump silver medalist Jadon Hibbert, whose 16.56 meters at the Carifta Trials in March made him the second best Jamaican junior triple jumper of all time.